Everyone, this is Kitty at Basic Backyard Bushcraft, and I just wanted to give a review on this battery powered chainsaw. It's rechargeable and it's got a 10-inch blade. I taxed it pretty well on some of this wood, but it worked out pretty well. And it saved my much injured back a lot of aggravation because it processed all of this wood and all of that wood. And remember that great big pile of wood that was over there waiting to be processed? Well, it's not there anymore because it's already processed. Someone called this chainsaw a la silly saw, which I guess it kind of is, but it worked out pretty well. Lasted quite a long while on the one charge. I was just out here at the Basic Backyard Bushcraft campsite processing some wood. There's my tarp. And watching this watching the storm roll in case you couldn't hear it. It ought to be fun. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.